Hello everyone, this is Swathi. Welcome back to Absolutely Creative. Do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to never miss any video. You can follow me on my social media and share all your artworks and recreations. I would love to watch them. Hope you all are enjoying this summer camp so far. Let's get into the 6th episode of our series. In this episode, I am going to show you all the art of drawing using alphabets or words. Let's see how to draw sun using the word sun. This is how we can turn the word sun into a drawing of sun. You can also use some colors to color it and make it look more attractive. Using this super easy and fun technique of drawing sun from the word sun, kids can easily draw or paint some beautiful sceneries like these. So I hope you all had fun watching this video today. Please hit that like button and share my videos with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for lots of other interesting videos.